third review for the flashlights at Walmart. And the first thing you're gonna notice right off the bat in the hardware section is they've got the ones that you plug in that are just it just says white. It doesn't even say. It says on this one. And on these two, it just says white. It's because you plug it in, like I said, so they can't really tell you. This one has its own bulb that's built into it. But again, they got this does like a lot. It seems like it's a little bit more rugged, and it's got a different color scheme, and they've got the brightest work lights that I've seen so far in the store. So over in the automobile, the brightest that they had was 2,000 lumens about for these little sit-up lights. They might have been battery powered temporarily and plug-in, but I think you probably mostly had to have them plugged in because the amount of lumens that they had. But this one right here is the highest that I've seen in the store, and it's 10,000 lumens. So when you plug this one in, it doesn't even seem like it would be that, because when you look at like where the light's coming from, it just looks like a bunch of diodes. But I guess that's just the way the LED works. This one's 2,500. This one's half of this one. It's hyper tough. It's 5,000. And this one's 500. So I'd say overall for like plug-in work lights that are the brightest, they actually have some more over here. These aren't really work lights. They're just kind of like have around the house lights maybe. Or this one's tagged as a security light. So I guess they detect motion, which is cool. And I think the highest one of these security light is 2,000. So that's pretty cool. The ball one's 500. I guess that's gonna give like the most bounce light in all directions. And that one up there is 1,500. I think that's the same one. So anyways, that's it for the flashlights or work lights in the hardware section.